Hi, I'm going to present to you a teaching demonstration in science for grade 6. Those students 11 to 12 years old are under elementary level of English proficiency. The title of my teaching demonstration is about the food chain in the animal kingdom. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to first identify the two main groups of animals in the food chain and their subclasses. Second, classify through a board taping activity. Cut out examples of the animals under them. Create the animal food chain by groups using recyclable materials. Hi, good morning, students. How are you today? Everybody stand up and please check the trash under your tables and please pick them up and clear all your tables. How are you doing today? Everybody sit down. Let's check your attendance. First row, no absent. Second row, no absent. Third row, everybody's present. Are you ready? Now, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna play a game. It's called the flashcard war. Please group yourselves into two of five. And in this game, I'm gonna give you three cards. So I'm gonna divide these cards that consist of pictures of animals, and then I'm gonna put them on the table, and one of the group representative will stand before me and pick one card. Now, if the picture in your card is a predator and the picture of the other card is a prey, the prey will be defeated and the winner will get 5 points. Now let's go to our lesson proper, the animal food chain. The first one is the autotrophs. What did I say? Autotrophs. So let's put the autotrophs at the bottom over here. What are the autotrophs? Autotrophs are the plants that produce their own food and they don't need somebody to give them the food because they only use the sunlight and water and turn it into carbon dioxide and sugar. The next one is the heterotroph. So heterotrophs, let's put it here. Top. Heterotrophs are divided into four subclasses. The first one are the herbivore. What did I say? Herbivore. So let's put the herbivore here, closer to the autotrophs. So what are the herbivores? They are the plant-eating animals. The next one are the carnivores. Carnivores, what did I say? Carnivores, that's right. So we're gonna put them above the herbivores. The carnivores are the meat-eating animals. They eat the herbivores. The next one are the omnivores. Omnivores, what did I say? Omnivores. So let's put the omnivores here. So what are the omnivores? They are the animals that eat either the carnivores or the herbivores and the plants. They can eat everything. The next one are the detritivores. They are the decomposers. They eat all these animals here and it is at the top of the food chain. So let's put this detritivores here at the top of it. And then let's classify them into different levels. The first one are the primary producers. So the primary producers are these autotrophs here. The next are the secondary consumers. These are the herbivores and carnivores. The next one are the tertiary consumers. So we can put them under next to the omnivores. The last one are the decomposers. So let's put them under the detritivores. Now, I want you to give examples of the animals under these subclasses. Can you give me an example of a herbivore? Yes, goat. One more? Yes, the cow. They are herbivores. Can you give example of the carnivores? Yes. Yeah, the lions. Yes, tiger. How about the omnivores? They eat everything. Yes, bear. Humans. They eat everything. They are the omnivores. And the last one, they're the detritivores. Can you give example of animals under the detritivores? Yes, the worms. Yeah, the mushrooms. They are the fungi. They and bacteria. Yeah, they decompose all these animals here. I'm gonna give you an activity. This is a game, and these are the cards of the animal food chain, and all you have to do is to touch the correct levels of food chain in order. The first one to finish with the correct order of levels and subclasses of the food chain gets 5 points. Now that you have placed the correct orders of the food chain, your next activity is to cut out animals that belong to the subclasses. So I'm going to give you this material, each group for you, and this is for you. And you have the scissors, one for you, one for you. I'm going to call an animal, and everyone should cut them first and then run to the front and put it in the right subclass. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds to finish the process, and whoever gets here the first will have 5 points. Now, your last activity is to create each group this animal food chain using this recyclable materials like this one. So the bottom level are the autotrophs, which are the plants. So that's it for your class today. And whoever gets the best or create the best material of the food chain of the using the recyclable materials will get 10 points. Okay, good luck.